Hi artists, today I'm going to share with you how to create a type of relief print using some foam. This is a type of printmaking foam. However, if you don't have this, you can also use the foam that meat is often packaged in. Just make sure to clean it properly first. Let's get started. I've picked a design for my relief print using this Big Dipper template. You can draw your own design on a piece of paper, or you could print something out online. If you choose to print something, you'll want to make sure that you reverse the image before it's printed. That way, once it gets printed onto your paper with the paint, it will be going in the correct direction. So for my example here, I have the Big Dipper going off to the left, and when I printed it with the paint, it is now going towards the right. This is the direction that I want it to turn out to be. I'm going to place my pattern on top of the foam and then using a pencil or a pen, carve into the design. While you're pressing down with your pencil, you want to push hard enough that you can feel that it's making an indent into the foam. When you're done, take it off of the foam and then make sure that your design is really carved into the foam by going over the top again with your pen or pencil. For the sake of this video, I'm not going to show you all of the background details that I made in this previous example, but you could certainly add more details to your relief print if you'd like. Next, I'll take a brayer and some paint and start to roll it over top of the foam. If you don't have a brayer, you could also use a paintbrush or anything else to spread out the paint. I'm also going to make sure that I add my name to my paper so that I know who it belongs to. I'll take the brayer and start to roll the paint over the top of the foam. You don't need a very thick layer of paint because you don't want to fill up those gaps that you carved into. Just make sure that you cover the rest of the surface. Once you're done rolling the paint on, simply put your paper on top and try to line it up the best you can. Then apply an even pressure across the whole back of the paper, making sure that you press in the middle and along all of the edges. Last, peel it up off of the foam to reveal your print. The great thing about relief printing is it doesn't always work out the first time. This one is very light, which tells me I didn't use enough paint, and that's okay. I can reapply some more paint, or I can wash this and use different paint colors and give it another try. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you have fun trying relief printmaking.